Sick of crowd, the toil, the strife. Sweet nature, now I turn to thee, seeking for a renovated life by brawling, brook and shady tree. I knew thy rocks had spells of old to turn the wanderer's woe to calm, and in thy waters clear and cold my heated brow would seek its balm. Summer hours when every bird was on its wing, I sought amid thy thousand flowers the sweet renewal of life's spring, that sacred freshness of the heart that made the tide of youth so strong. When yet untaught by shame or art, you feared no guile and knew no wrong. Thou nature, that magician be, give me the old-time peace, the joy that warmed my heart and set me free. A wild but not a wayward boy, and I will bless thee with a song as fond as hers, that idle bird that sings above me all day long, as if she knew I watched and heard. Sings above me all day long, as if she knew I watched and heard. Thou nature, that magician be, give me the old-time peace, the joy that warmed my heart and set me free. A wild but not a wayward boy, and I will bless thee with a song as fond as hers, that idle bird that sings above me all day long, as if she knew I watched and heard. Thank you, wayward.